Sunod tayo po. Puro gapang gampang rin. Puro gapang gampang. Labas matingala sa lang rin tiyak ng skuraw.
Kung sige lang, mayara na tayo sa liga na. Monta, okay kami.
At laban eh. Gaway sa mo.
Hadulan, hadulan, hadulan. Lusada.
Suli. Suli ang tingin.
Sanchez. Sanchez on the right. Oops, yun pasa kay Makoy. Makoy fake. Pagwa. Pitex. Sanchez rebound. Rabel. Slow mo.
Atris. Atris ba? Nag-travel mo ito ganit.
Hadulan, hadulan, ginatagay Papatots, dribble. Kapangita pa saan si Papatots. Faking, pangita si, oops, kickball. Kickball tayo. Ginagawa ni Giant, Jetro. Pasa Gabayron, Gabayron. The rocket shooter, oops. Hadulan for 3, wala, na-rebound ni Makoy. Foul by Papatots. Seconds, no? Alamay.
Abo ba?
Hadulan, hadulan for 2. Wala. Outside. Sergio Rosa on the drive for 2 na still ni Rosada, kickball outside pa. Namin na to, pinupin ako tama ba naman to? Oo, tanaban. Double. Good yapon. Go Jetro the Giant, running for pass break. Gabayron the rocket shooter, foul by Kalamay. Kalamay, Kalamay.
Well man to gani.
Kalamay.
Ito katandog.
Pass break by Sanchez. Sanchez on the go. Basket. Easy to layup.
Yung tinakomentator ba daw? Nabibiin lang galing. Umate ko, nabibiin lang.
Losada on the go.
Nabibiin lang galing.
Gabayero on the rocket shooter. Dribble. Gimpeg. Gimpasa. Losada. Gimpasa. McCoy. Gingatag for Sanchez. Sanchez. The splash. Oops. Wala. Rebound Sanchez. Foul by Gabayero on the rocket shooter.
Dua.
Bonus throw for Sanchez, the slasher. Basket for one throw, second throw attempt.
Jump.
Last throw for Sanchez, free throw. Wala na rebound ni McCoy, the bulldozer. McCoy nag-fake. Papatots for defense. The Pitex, the magician. Oops, Marikoy, McCoy, the bulldozer. Foul!
Certo, the pison.
Bonus throw for the McCoy bulldozer. Two free throws for the bulldozer machine. First free throw. Basket. Second attempt. Rebound. The Giant. Papatuts the blocker. Oops. Basket. Gabiron. The rocket shooter. Gindribble ang bola. Gapangita na. Arana. Gakwawilo. Gapangita pasahan. Set up. Oops. Lusada.
The missile. Ano?
Lusada. Dakawayan. Laba-laba.
Kadala pula the rocket shooter mo. Hindi the missile naman ang iusahan.
Splash Sanchez basket. Arana si rocket shooter Gabayron. Gadala bola si Gabayron. Gabay tapasan. The set up. Arana. Set up. Pop. Pick. Slide. Wala. The Giant basket. The Giant for two. Easy layup. On the go. Hadulan the baby bomber. Oops. Wala. Oy. The Giant basket. Foul basket by the Giant. Free throw tayo, free throw.
May foul.
Bonus tayo, bonus.
Ready siapa?
Bonus throw for the Giant. Giant, basket.
Mana ni ano na yung laba, oh. The bamboo. Grabe yung mamunikir na, oh. The bamboo karon. The bones.
The speed of light. The train to Busan. Oops. Di pa sa the Pitex na magician. Wala. Rebound by the Giant. Giant running for the two. Easy left kapasa kay Gabayron. The rocket shooter. Gidribble pump fake. Baas. O wala. Rebound by Kalamay series. Kalamay.
Knock ng titing. Sugar King.
Sanchez. Ara kay Parigaw. Asik pa sa ito. Hindi ko kakalaot sila commentator raw. Sanchez wala. Foul by Sanchez the slasher.
Ang bumangga, di ba?
Ang bumangga, repair na lang.
Ang
welding on.
Ang bumangga, bungkag. Ay, ari ka de.
Batok ya bungkagan. Nice na. Lugan dari depan.
Tank na yan, nuliloksin.
Free throw for the slasher. Wala. Rebound by the Giant. Gabayron. Basket.
Ada
Bulldozer McCoy for two. Wala. The Giant na rebound ni Jada. The Giant. Gimpasa kay Dulan. Umita pasahan. Hadulan the bomber. Kapag tapasahan. Gingatag sa The Giant. Ginfake. Gingatag kay Dulan balik. Bada. Trey. Wala. Alusot. Uy. Good morning.
Dugaping, John.
Hello, Anabe, hello! Yeah, nice, very nice. The Giant na rebound ginatag kay Gabay Ronda. Gabay Ronda, The Giant.
Ha? Go pa lang. John, Dugaping.
Biloy ako na magamit sapatos si Gabay Ron, no? Sabad, no?
Tama ka lang.
Biloy ako maglaga, no?
Puswak. Isa lang press, isa lang shoot ah.
Sinya Rosa, the mind seater. Hara na, gapita na pasahan.
Hindi press.
Gaplastar na, Sinya Rosa.
Confidence ah.
Gingatag kay Kalamay the wall. Wala, rebound by Losada, dal.
Tulog China.
Gabayeron, wala, gingatag The Giant, wala, The Giant liwat, wala. Gabayeron. Basket, easy for 2, Gabayeron. Kibay, bantay, okay. The Magician. Wala, gimpeg ni Magician. Sanchez Slasher, basket. Papatots the vlogger, gin dribble. Pangita pasahan. Sit up. Oops, nakuha ni Sanchez the Slasher. Ginatag to the Magician. Basket. Easy to for the Magician. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon. Hadulan the Bomber. Pangita pasahan. Gingatag Gabayron.
Tira.
Gabayron the rocket shooter, dribble, nangita pa sa Yatag to the Giant. Wala, rebound by Losada, dalang yat. Papatas the vlogger for 2, the basket. Poge, papatots. Senyaro sa dribble, the mind seater. Gabangita sang setup. Sanchez the Slasher, ngita pa saan, gingata kay Makoy, the Bulldozer, basket.
By the Bulldozer.
2 by the Bulldozer. Gabayron, the rocket shooter, ng itapasahan. Gingatag to the Giant gislash, gisulod. Wala. Rep, palagpat. Rep, sino to? Sino sa drive?
Ay, ito malupot ko na yan.
Uy, ano ni chocolate for energy ni?
Amo na yung taong tuligad mo, Drew.
Energy ni. Gingguan ni Papatots. Nag-set up na. Gingatag Gabayron, the rocket shooter, gipasa kay the Bomber, hadulan, pump fake. Hadulan the dribble. Gingatag Papatots the vlogger, gintira for 2. Wala, rebound by the Giant TC, wala. Hadulan the Bomber, basket. Magician, gindribble the Magician. Attack Sanchez the Slasher, basket. Sanchez is ito, change court.
Change. Ready mo na. Change na.
Change.
Ay.
Mga seryosong tapos ang pang sa first game. Wala to gawad sila mo. Ano na doon mo? Ingguan ni Papatots, ginatag kay Gabayron, the rocket shooter ginatagda kaya doon the Bomber, gindribble, the Bomber, gisulod, ups, the Bulldozer, gingharan ni Bulldozer, wala, the Giant, wala, Kalamay series for the rebound.
The series.
Sinya Rosa, the brain and the mind seater. God dribble Sinya Rosa. Atake Sanchez the Slasher. Ang ulo sang referee gabalabag. Hindi kita on rep, wala tayo lawag. Gintira ni Magician, wala. Shoot, basket.
Ari akong preso.
Karon lang labayad na sa banding mo. Ako na, Papatots. The vlogger, gindribble kita pasan. Gingata kay Bulldozer, wala sa Bulldozer, kay Taman, wala kay Sulina. Mindsetter, Sinya Rosa. Napakita pa saan? Sanchez, slasher. Atake si Nyarosa, the mind sitter. Oops. Outside. Stepping on the line. Mind sitter. Gabayron, the rocket shooter. Gabayron, the rocket shooter. Kapita pa saan? Dribble. Game pasa kay Losada Danglaw.
Daklo.
Rebound ni Kalamay Series. Kalamay Series kita pasahan. Gingata kay Sanchez the slasher. Is there for? Wala. Rebound by. Oops. Outside. Outside by. Oh. Outside by Gabayron. Papatots testing tres. Wala. Kabus. Gingguan ni Kalamay. Mind sitter ginatag to the Magician. Magician perfect combination. Kalamay Series for 3. Basket. Kalamay Series on the go. Kalamay Series on the go. Papatots. Nakita pa sa ginatag Gabayron the rocket shooter. Wala. Rebound by the Magician. Ginatag sa slasher. Oops, wala. Sinyaro sa the mind sitter. Basket. Gabayron. Sinyaro sa the mind sitter. Naginahinay. Nag-sit up. Sinyarosa. Nag-sit up.
Tangan-tangan guro na i-video.
Losada the tower game pasa Gabayron the rocket shooter wala. Rebound by Losada the tower. Magician for the dribble. Magician game pasa kay Bulldozer. Wala na ko kitao kayang ulo sang referee kabalarag. Why, artela na, kaboy ka. Point yung dugay, ato na to sa piakring. The Giant, ginatake Gabayron. Na steal. Kalamay for 3. Mind sitter. Wala. Foul. Napunuran si Sanchez. Awaya.
Bueno ko nagwa, set na.
Rina. Hadulan the bomber. Basket. Kalamay Series, gapita pasan. Ginatagay di McCoy the Bulldozer. Perfect combination the mind sitter and the Magician. Magician nara sa corner. The mind sitter kapita set up. Gimpasa to the Magician. Magician easy to basket.
Tris lang ang
Dus. Gabayron the rocket shooter. Ging sulod. Pampek. Gingwa. Magician nakakuha bola rebound by Magician gin dribble. Magician easy tabok. Off the Bulldozer McCoy ging sulod, easy layup, wala. Rebound by the Bulldozer McCoy, papatas the Vlogger for defense. Nice defense. Okay, papatas the Vlogger, ging rebound. Gabayron the rocket shooter. The Giant. The tower. Tapos ba yan?
Silaw. Ay, talapyo.
Sanchez the slasher. Magician pick. Magician gintira. Basket easy to for the Magician.
Batariyes lang ba?
Papatouch the Vlogger, the million views. Gabayron the rocket shooter. Ging attempt tira wala. Natay papatouch the million views. The tower, Losada for 2. Ingata kay Sanchez the slasher. Rabaw. Sanchez the slasher. Foul by the Bomber. Hadulan. Gwa. Sponsor Bing Bing by Papa Tots.
Hindi ako nakakagin. Lapos ko na.
Magician, the smart color. Oops, nakuha ni The Giant. The Giant gipasa kay Bayron. The rocket shooter for 2. Basket.
Rocket shooter.
Mindsetter, Senyarosa. Gamang itapasan. Ginatag the Magician. Perfect combination. Easy 2. Wow! Nice one. Papa Tots, the vlogger, the million views. Gindribble ang bola.
The man with a million views.
Gindribble ang bola pasahan.
Million moves.
Gabay around the rocket shooter. Ginsulod, ginpampik, up, slide, wala. Senyarosa, the mindsetter. Magician, perfect combination again. The Magician and the power. Offensive.
Pinsib ba?
Ito yung nagwahig ka na.
Pag-higal eh. Gwa.
Na, may tayo perfect combination. Tari ba nga setup ba? Triangle. Gabay around the rocket shooter. Gabay ta sa basahan. Oops. Gingatag kay the million views for 2 million views, gid.
Sabi ko million moves.
2 million points by Papa Tots. Kalamay series gid na bola. Point tapasan. Gingatag kay Bulldozer. Bulldozer is 2 basket. Tanaw.
Tira.
Sanchez the Slasher for Adulan, defense. Wala, the Giant for the rebound. Giant running for the score.
Nice pass.
Caballero the Slasher for 2. Wala. Senyarosa the mindsetter. Gadribol, gapangita na sa basahan. Okay, Senyarosa ginsulod. Basket. Perfect combination.
Last ball. Last ball Leo.
Losada the tower, ging dribble, ging sulod ni Losada, ging pasa to the Giant ging tapik, wala. Kalamay series for the rebound, fast break for the Sanchez the Slasher. Ging attack the mindsetter, perfect combination for the Magician, Slasher, basket.
Game.
End of the game. Thank you for watching.
Daw sa NBA, ilang ko galang taga pamati. Sunod. Sige.
Ganit man.
Wala na trigger ang